Hello there, it's Ellie here, and I'm just going to do a quick video for you to explain a little bit more about how to use simple downline builder success. I am getting quite a few messages from people saying that they don't really understand how it works, so I just wanted to do a quick update for you and really to show you how simple it is and what an effective tool it is. Okay, so basically you need to register, obviously, so you can click here to register, and it'll just ask you to create an account. You have a few details just to fill in, create your own username and password, and submit the security code. So once you have done that, then you can just log into your account. Okay, so the first thing, you'll see on the first page there's a little bit of information. I have some sort of new announcements there just in red, and it'll tell you just a little bit more about how to actually, or what the site's really about. Now, first things first. First of all, if you need to know how to use the site, then just click here on how to use the site. And you'll see that there's a quick guide and there's a detailed guide. The quick guide is basically start with the earning lists, and that's any levels. Update the affiliate links. You probably want to read the Build Any Business section because it's going to explain a lot about, what you can do to build any business at all. And then just focus on the promotional center, the traffic sites, and the knowledge center. Okay, so let's start first of all with the earning lists. So we have a few different ones on here. I have added a section for new launches, and you've got like the level 1 crypto sites, the earning sites that are pay-to-click sites, the survey sites, and then we've got the different levels. So level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. So let me just choose one at random. Let's go here. Level 2 earning sites. In each list, so that's the new launches, any of these level sites here, the affiliate marketing list, the traffic sites, the knowledge center, and the affiliate marketing, did I say that already? Any of these, most of them have a section like this, where it has the site name, and this is your link. And all you need to do to make use of this site is to update, put your username here in the little box. So as it shows you, mine is here. So you're just adding your username to the end. So sometimes it's a name, sometimes it's a number. So you're adding that in the box. Just go right down to the bottom then and click on Update Info. If you've done that, then you will see underneath here where it says IE, and mine is Ellie. It should update with your name in there. Okay? So as long as your name is showing in the boxes and you have updated it, then every single link that you have created or that you have done that for, this part then automatically turns into your referral link. So let's have a quick think about that. So that means if you promote this site, Simple Downline Builder Success, and you get a referral to join you, and they click here on, say, the new launches, for example, and you have updated these links, and they decide, okay, that sounds interesting, I think I'll join that, and they click here, then they are going to join your team on this site. If they decide to join another one, and you've updated the affiliate links or referral links here, and they click here, then they're going to join your team on that one as well. Now this means that from one referral, you can get one person who joins every single site in these lists, which means that there's probably about 30, I think, at the minute. So they can click on any of them, click on any of these sites, and that will build your team on any of these programs. The only thing that you need to do then is to promote your referral link for Simple Downline Builder Success, and it will automatically build all of these different programs for you. Now, to find your your referral link, go to the Promotional Center, and you currently have two options. You've got the text link, so if you click on that, it's going to just be like a copy of the site. The splash page I still need to work on. I do have 3 or 4 different drafts done for that, so I just haven't decided which one to do yet. But one of the most effective ones to use is this one, your lead capture page link. And that's because anybody who registers using this link will be added to the autoresponder, and they will get emails directly from me. Those emails will be directing people around. It will talk about, for example, one of the traffic sites at the minute I have information on, so it will direct them to the traffic site. Another email might direct them to the new launches. Another email might show them the, my earning updates for a pay-to-click site, whatever it is. But my emails are going to direct people around the site so that they join those sites using your referral links. So that's what I'm doing in the background. So it's all about me doing as much as I can to help you to build multiple income streams. Now, there's other options here as well. I want to talk about the affiliate marketing one, for example. And there are courses in here. So the first one that I added was ClickBank University. It tells you a little bit here about ClickBank University and, why somebody would like to join it. It also tells you here, to earn commission from this listing, you will need to have a ClickBank account username. You can sign up for free here. I need to change that into a link. But you just go to clickbank.com, sign up for a free account, and then your username goes in this box. If then anybody that you have referred to the site clicks on this link, goes on to actually purchase this, then you are going to earn the commission. And this is the option that has made me a $210 sale just the other day that I posted about. So you'll want to make sure that you update your referral links for these programs. You don't have to buy it. You don't have to click through here and actually buy the program. That is for people who want to actually pay for the ClickBank University program itself. But to get commission from promoting it, all you need to do is sign up for a free ClickBank account. Now, I have other options in here as well. For example, a knowledge center. There's all these different programs in here. Those are all training courses. So, this is about marketing. This is about email marketing. This is about copywriting. This is about traffic generation. This is a new one that I've just added, daily internet commissions. And I've said there, the option to purchase further training is also provided. Use your ClickBank username to update the link above to earn commission on sales made. So this is a link through to free training, and within it there's a link for people to actually sign up for a paid program. If they decide to do that, you are going to make commission on that. Now, if you're not sure how to promote Simple Downline Builder Success or where to promote it, just click over here for the traffic sites. And in here you will find a few different options. The first one is lead sleep. The second one is ad feeds. The next one is Infinity Mailer Boost. Now, there's one that I haven't actually updated yet for myself, so let me do that right now. So my username on Infinity Mailer Boost is pretty sure it's the income workshop. And all I do here is click on the update info. You can see here it says IE and there's nothing there. Update info. And now, when I go down, there it is, IE the income workshop. So this is how I know that it's been updated. Now what I'm going to be doing is to add various videos on how to use these sites, and I will add links under all of these sites. It's going to take me a bit of time to do that, but I certainly will be working on that as soon as I can. I will also be sharing my personal earning proofs, which means then that if somebody wants to join, for example, let's go through to TimeBucks, for example. What I'm going to do is there'll be the guidance videos. If you click here, it'll take you through to my YouTube channel, and you will be able to see the list of training videos that I have already created about TimeBucks. But I'm also then going to be adding a section for my payment proofs. So it means then that instead of, you know, people saying, oh, that doesn't work, or you can't get paid from that, or whatever, you can say, look, the payment proofs are there. They're, you know, I'm showing my personal payment proofs to help you to get referrals. I'm sharing the guidance videos to help you to get active team members. You know, all you need to do is update your affiliate ID or username in the little box here. Put the details here, go to the bottom of the page, click on update info, and each of the links that you do this for will turn into your personal referral building program. That's what this site is all about. At the minute, there is an upgrade account section here, but there is no upgrade as yet. I will be sorting that out at some point. I just haven't I haven't had a chance to even think about that yet. But there are lots of sites here, and there's several of them. For example, level 2 earning sites. If you sign up for free, such as this one, My Passive Trades, you can register for free. If you do that and you have a referral who actually joins and signs up and makes a payment, then you are going to earn commission on that without having to pay anything at all. So there are several programs like that. So do make sure that you go through the lists of sites at the side and update your referral links to each program. Then all you need to do is promote these links, either this one or this one. And if you need emails, I have created an email for you right here. Okay, so that's it. That's all I want to say for now. There are going to be more programs being added to the site, and certainly I want to focus a lot on the traffic sites next. So, so there's going to be plenty of places for you to actually promote. Okay, that's it for me for now, and just let me know if you have any questions at all. Okay, take care now. Happy earning as always. Bye.